Dear students, welcome to the Principles of Human Resource Management course. In this video, we will talk about Chapter 6, Training and Developing Employees. Lesson 1, Orienting and Onboarding New Employees. By the end of this video, you will be able to 1. Identify the ways of orienting and onboarding new employees. Carefully selecting employees doesn't guarantee they'll perform effectively. Even high-potential employees can't do their jobs if they don't know what to do or how to do it. Making sure your employees do know what to do and how to do it is the purpose of the orientation and training. The Human Resources Department usually designs the orientation and training programs, but the supervisor does most of the day-to-day orienting and training. Every manager, therefore, should know how to orient and train employees. The purpose of employee orientation and onboarding. Again, defining employee orientation or onboarding as a procedure for providing new employees with the basic background information about the firm. 1. Make the new employee feel welcome at home and a part of the team. 2. Make sure the new employee has the basic information to work effectively, such as email access, personnel policies and benefits, and expectations in terms of work behavior. 3. Help the new employee to understand the organization in a broad sense. 4. Start the process of a person becoming socialized into the firm's culture, values, and ways of doing things. The length of the orientation program depends on what you cover. Most take several hours. The human resource specialist, or, in a smaller firms, the office manager, performs the first part of the orientation by explaining basic matters like working hours and benefits. Then the supervisor continues the orientation by explaining the department's organization, introducing the person to his or her new colleagues, familiarizing him or her with the workplace and reducing first-day jitters. During orientation, the employee handbook and/or orientation technology may be used. The employee handbook. Courts may find that the employee handbook's contents are legally binding commitments. The handbook should include proper disclaimers, such as, "Nothing in this handbook should be taken as creating a binding contract between employers and employees, and all employment is on at all basis." Orientation technology. Employers use technology to support orientation too. Some employers place scannable QR codes along the orientation tutor's stops to provide information about each department and its role. Other companies gamify onboarding, for instance, by offering rewards and recognitions for new hires' contributions. Employee Engagement Guide for Managers. Onboarding at Toyota. In many firms today, orientation goes well beyond providing basic information about things like work hours. Onboarding at Toyota Motor Manufacturing USA illustrates this. While it does cover routine topics such as company benefits, its main aim is to engage Toyota's new employees in the firm's ideology of quality, teamwork, personal development, open communication, and mutual respect. The initial program takes about 4 days. Onboarding at Toyota. Day 1. Welcome. Day 2. Mutual respect. Day 3. Teamwork. Day 4. Suggestion system. Day 1. The first day begins early and includes an overview of the program, a welcome to the company, and a discussion of the firm's organizational structure and human resource department by the firm's human resources vice president. He or she devotes about an hour and a half to discussing Toyota history and culture and about 2 hours to employee benefits. Managers then spend several hours discussing Toyota's commitment of quality and teamwork. Day 2. A typical second day focuses first on the importance of mutual respect, teamwork, and open communication at Toyota. The rest of the day covers topics such as safety, environmental affairs, and the Toyota production system. Day 3. Given the importance of working in teams at Toyota, this day begins with 2.5 to 3 hours devoted to communication training, such as making requests and giving feedback. The rest of the day covers matters such as Toyota's problem-solving methods, quality assurance, hazard communications, and safety. Day 4. Topics today include teamwork training and the Toyota suggestion system. This session also covers what work teams are responsible for and how to work together as a team. The afternoon session covers fire prevention and fire extinguisher training. By the end of Day 4, new employees should be well on their way to begin engaged in Toyota's ideology, in particular its mission of quality and its values of teamwork, continuous improvement, and problem solving. The bottom line is that there's more to orienting employees than introducing them to new co-workers, even without a program like Toyota's. Use the onboarding opportunity to start instilling in the new employee the company values and traditions in which you expect the person to become engaged. In this video, we have talked about orienting and onboarding new employees.